In this video, we take you through the TransLution standard functions for cycle count. We have two functions available for cycle count, a step function area to do the cycle count, and a TL selector grid to view, approve, or reject the counts. To begin, we select the TransLution app and log in with our credentials. From the Workflow menu screen, we select the Cycle Count workflow. This brings up a list of the functions available for cycle count. Let's take a look at the cycle count function. This function is used to cycle count stock in a bin. We start by scanning the bin. TransLution validates that the bin exists in SysPro and the bin barcode is unique. Next, we scan the item. TransLution validates that the stock code exists in SysPro. If the stock code is lot traceable, TransLution gets the lot details and validates that the lot number is provided within the barcode. The lot does not need to exist in SysPro. If the lot expiry date does not exist, we are directed to the Enter the lot expiry date step, else we are directed to the Enter quantity step. Here we enter the quantity. TransLution validates the quantity entered is numeric and greater than 0. We are then looped back to the Scan Item step to scan the next item. Here we will scan a lot traceable item. TransLution validates that the stock code exists in SysPro. Here we enter the quantity. TransLution validates that the quantity entered is numeric and greater than 0. We are looped back to the Scan Item step. If we have finished cycle counting, we click on the Complete button. All the stock that is in the bin in SysPro but was not counted is added to the count with a 0 count. We are then looped back to the Scan Bin step where we can exit the function. Now let's take a look at the View Counts grid. This function is used to view all counts for a cycle count. The count can either be approved or rejected. Here we see all the data for the counted bin. If the Approved button is clicked, the variance is posted to SysPro. An up or down adjustment is posted depending on whether the variance is positive or negative. If the Reject button is clicked, the record is updated to rejected and removed from the grid. The line colors show as green if the variance is 0 and orange if the variance is not 0.